This demo explores getting set up with pip and virtual environments to simplify development going forward. These are core skills every Python programmer should know. Let's begin with virtual environments. Note that the tilde is used as a shortcut for a user's home directory. Before starting, identify which Python version you'd like to use. As an example, I have 3 versions of Python available on my dev box, and I'll use the newest one. To create a new virtual environment, use the -m option to specify a specific module, then use venv followed by the environment name. I like to keep my virtual environments in a pre-existing directory called environments within my home directory. I also like short and descriptive names, so let's use gman37 to signify GlobalMantic's development using Python 3.7. Let's quickly peek inside. Inside the virtual environment, there are several directories, but I want to dig into the bin directory. Notice that the virtual environment automatically comes with pip, preventing us from an explicit installation. We also have this activate file, which is a fancy bash script we can run within our shell. This updates our shell's configuration and environment variables to point into this specific virtual environment to find Python packages rather than the system directories. We can enter the virtual environment using the source command and specifying this file. Notice our shell prompt changed as it now displays the virtual environment name. We also don't need to specify our Python version anymore, as simply Python will be referencing the proper Python binary. Let's explore pip now. We can use it to look at the list of installed packages using pip list. We don't have much installed yet, and our pip is out of date. Let's quickly follow the recommended action to upgrade it. This output is characteristic for any pip install as it shows you the packages installed and uninstalled. We are going to use a web framework named Flask for our GlobalMantic's CRM app, so let's install that using pip install Flask. Scrolling up, we can see that this package has many dependencies such as Click and Jinja2. Each is installed along with Flask. At the end, pip provides a summary of what was installed along with their versions. Let's use pip list again to double check. Okay, now we see several packages and it's enough to get us started. I'll be using pip throughout this course and future courses to install important Python packages as they become necessary. Pip has many other commands and I'll cover just one more. Pip show followed by a package name can provide detailed information about a specific package, so let's look into Flask. I think the most important bits here are at the bottom where dependencies and reverse dependencies are clearly shown, making it easy to figure out what packages are needed. Last, let's exit our virtual environment using deactivate. This is basically an undo button on the source activate command we ran earlier and allows us to gracefully exit a virtual environment, allowing us to enter another. Notice our shell prompt is back to normal now. That wraps up our chat on virtual environments and pip. Next, let's dive into some design patterns.